Welcome everyone. I'm excited to kick off our session today with AppExchange Basics. This is the first slide, so I just want to warmly welcome you all and give you a quick idea of what we'll be exploring. We'll be covering the fundamentals of the Salesforce AppExchange, including what it is, how it works, and why it's such a valuable resource. So, let's dive in and get started. Salesforce AppExchange is the leading marketplace for cloud-based business applications and consulting services. It's trusted by around 85% of Fortune 100 companies, which really speaks to its credibility and value. The platform allows organizations to extend the power of Salesforce by installing pre-vetted apps and components. These solutions help quickly address common business challenges across areas like sales, HR, marketing, event management, and more. What's great is that users can browse, compare, and even trial a wide variety of solutions, ranging from simple productivity tools to industry-specific accelerators. This makes it easier to find the right fit for your needs. Plus, you benefit from enhanced governance, security, and seamless integration, which are crucial when managing multiple applications. By leveraging AppExchange, companies can accelerate innovation, reduce the time and resources spent on development, and tap into a vibrant ecosystem of solutions and expertise. It all comes together with streamlined management and robust support, which helps organizations stay agile and competitive. This ecosystem truly amplifies what Salesforce can do for your business, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of maximizing cloud capabilities. AppExchange offers a wide range of solutions and services for every Salesforce cloud and product. When you browse, you'll generally find two main types of listings. The first are solutions, which are essentially apps or tools that you can plug into Salesforce to extend its capabilities. For example, imagine integrating a third-party survey tool directly into Service Cloud to gather customer feedback more efficiently. The second type are consultants. These are Salesforce professionals who specialize in building custom solutions tailored to specific industries or cloud needs. For instance, a consultant might work with an equipment manufacturer to develop a suite of apps specifically designed to assist assembly technicians on the factory floor. So, what's really valuable here is understanding that on AppExchange, you can find ready-made solutions to enhance your Salesforce environment, or you can engage experts to create custom solutions that meet your unique business requirements. This flexibility makes AppExchange a powerful resource for maximizing your Salesforce investment and driving your business forward. When you're planning your AppExchange strategy, a little upfront thinking can really go a long way in finding a solution that makes your users happy. So, let's walk through some key questions to consider. First, about the solution type. Are you looking for something that can integrate quickly with Salesforce? If so, an app from the AppExchange might be the best fit. But if you're dealing with a complex business problem and need a customized solution, then working with a consultant could be a better approach. Next, think about the functionality you need. What should the solution do? Identify which features are absolute must-haves and which are just nice-to-haves. Then, consider your budget. Are you open to paying for the right solution, or do you need something free? If you're considering paid options, think about your preferred pricing model, whether it's a one-time payment or a subscription. Stakeholder needs are also crucial. Who will be using this solution? Make sure to meet with those stakeholders to understand their expectations, needs, and timelines. Testing is another important factor. Do you have a sandbox or a developer edition org where you can test the solution before deploying it in your production environment? And finally, consider any technical considerations. Does the solution need to be compatible with a specific Salesforce product, edition, or feature? Think about what's unique to your implementation and note those details. By addressing these questions early, you set a clear strategy that aligns with your business goals and ensures a smoother implementation process. Now that you've logged into AppExchange, you might be wondering what's next. Well, the answer really depends on your approach. Did you come here just to browse around, or did you plan your visit ahead of time? Either way, it's definitely worth taking a moment to get familiar with the home page, because it's your launchpad for finding the right solutions. Let's start with the navigation bar at the top. This bar gives you quick access to some of the most popular pages on the marketplace. For example, The Explore page is a great place to find highly rated solutions for common business challenges, specific industries, or even different Salesforce products. It's designed to help you discover trusted options efficiently. Then there's the Collections page, where Salesforce experts have curated solutions for you. Think of it as a hand-picked selection of the best tools and apps. Next, we have the Consultants page, which connects you with specialists who have deep industry knowledge and proven Salesforce expertise, perfect if you're looking for expert help. And finally, the Learn section offers news, tips, and inspiring customer success stories. It's a great resource for staying informed and learning best practices. Now, if you already have a clear strategy in mind, the search bar is your secret weapon. Just type in relevant keywords related to your goals, and AppExchange will do the heavy lifting for you, presenting solutions tailored to your needs. So, whether you're browsing or searching, getting familiar with the home page really helps you navigate efficiently and find the best solutions for your business. Now, let's take a closer look at the differences between managed and unmanaged packages. First, when it comes to customization, managed packages do not allow you to view or alter the code or metadata. This is because they're designed to be controlled and maintained by the provider. On the other hand, unmanaged packages give you the flexibility to customize the code and metadata if needed, which can be very useful for tailoring solutions to your specific needs. Next, regarding upgrades, managed packages are a lot more streamlined. The provider can automatically upgrade the solution without you having to do much. This helps keep your system up to date with minimal effort. Conversely, with unmanaged packages, if you want to upgrade, you have to uninstall the current version and then reinstall the new one from AppExchange. It's a bit more manual, but offers greater flexibility. Finally, let's consider org limits. The contents of a managed package don't count against your app, tab, or object limits in your org. This means you can add as many components as needed without worrying about hitting those limits. Unmanaged packages, however, do count against your org's limits, so it's something to keep in mind as you scale your solutions. Overall, understanding these differences helps you decide which type of package is best suited for your organization's needs, and how to manage your apps effectively within your Salesforce environment. Now, let's look at how sales automation plays a crucial role. Companies are using AppExchange apps to streamline lead management, generate contracts, and track opportunities more efficiently. This saves time, minimizes manual errors, and boosts sales productivity through automated workflows that are tailored to each industry's needs. Moving on to HR optimization, organizations leverage AppExchange solutions to develop learning management systems, improve employee onboarding, and manage HR records seamlessly. These tools enable more effective processes, making workforce engagement stronger by integrating cloud-based apps that simplify HR tasks. When it comes to marketing tools, marketers gain access to advanced analytics, campaign automation, and personalized outreach options. AppExchange empowers marketing teams to drive customer acquisition and retention by utilizing data-driven strategies and intuitive dashboards that make managing campaigns easier and more effective. For event management, AppExchange offers turnkey solutions for creating, managing, and measuring events directly within Salesforce. This includes real-time attendee tracking, scheduling, and post-event reporting, which all contribute to greater visibility and operational efficiency during events. Finally, looking at real-world use cases, these examples show how businesses are applying these solutions in practical ways to solve specific challenges. Whether it's improving sales processes, enhancing HR operations, or delivering impactful marketing campaigns, these tools demonstrate the tangible benefits of leveraging AppExchange to transform business functions and achieve better results. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I really appreciate the opportunity to share these ideas with you. Remember, the key points we've covered highlight the importance of understanding the core concepts and their practical applications. It's all about connecting these insights to the bigger picture and seeing how they can make a real difference in our work. If you take away one thing from today, I hope it's the value of staying curious and continuously learning. Thanks again for being such an engaged audience. I look forward to any questions or discussions you might have.